What is the biggest challenge for you guys to refurbish the iPhone X series screens? Separating the frame, right? Yes. In the last 1 year, a lot of customers asked us the question how to remove the frame without risk. So with this question, our master did a lot of researching and trying our best to find a good solution to separate the iPhone X frame for you guys. Today in this video, I will introduce our latest glue remover for iPhone X frame. Here we have 3 screens. They are iPhone X, iPhone XS, and the iPhone XSMAX. All of them, they are defected screens, but it's original, never refurbished. So we want to show you how easy to separate the frame. So first we test this iPhone X. Okay, so let's test the iPhone XS. Peel off it slowly. Okay, now we will try the XSMAX. It's perfect.